Hello, welcome back to another exciting learning on Exam Paddy. Today we'll be looking at an external question on world problems. This is a kind of question you'll come across in WASSCE, NECO, GC, and even JAM. The question says the sum of three numbers is 81. The second number is twice the first. Given that the third number is 6 more than the second, find the numbers. This is a statement that is needed to be converted into a linear equation. Let's solve. Let the numbers be P, R, and Q. The first statement says the sum of three numbers is 81. That means we have P plus R plus Q equals 81. This is equation 1. The second statement says the second number is twice the first. The second number here is R and the first number is P. So that means R equals 2P. And this is equation number 2. The third statement says, given that the third number is 6 more than the second, that is, Q equals to R plus 6. And this is equation 3. Now that we have the three equations, we need to solve them simultaneously. And remember, solving simultaneous equation, you can either use the elimination method or the substitution method. But for the sake of this question, I'll be adopting the substitution method. So I'm to substitute 2P for R. Substitute 2P for R in equation 1. Remember, equation 1 is P plus R plus Q equals 81. So I'm to substitute 2P for R in this equation. So I'll have P plus 2P plus Q equals 81. And for equation 3, in equation 3 we are left with Q equals R plus 6. Remember also, R is in equation 3, so I can substitute R for 2P. That means for equation 3, I can write this as P plus 2P, then I'll replace Q with 2P plus 6 equals 81. What I did in equation 3 is this. Q equals to R plus 6. And remember, equation 2 is R equals 2P. So in equation 3, I can replace R with 2P. That means I have Q equals 2P plus 6. And that was what I did here. So we now have P plus 2P plus 2P plus 6 equals 81. Now let's add all the P's together. P plus 2P, that is 3P, plus 2P, that is 5P. So we have 5P plus 6 equals 81. Now we are to collect like terms. So we have 5P equals 81 minus 6. 81 minus 6, that would give us 75. So we have 5P equals 75. So we divide both sides by the coefficient of P, which is 5. So this is 5, 5. 5 will cancel 5. 5 here 1, 5 in 75, that is 15. P equals 15. Remember, the question says find the numbers. We've only been able to calculate the value for P, but not for Q and R. So how do we find the value for Q and R? Then that will take us back to our three equations. To find R, remember equation 2 says R equals 2P. R equals 2P. And what's the value of P? 15. So definitely R equals 2 times 15. And R equals 30. To find Q, equation 3 says Q equals 2P plus 6. And we already know the value for P. So we have Q equals 2 into the bracket of 15 plus 6. 2 times 15 is what? 30 plus 6. 30 plus 6, that's 36. Therefore, the numbers are P is 15, R is 30, and Q is 36. So the numbers are 15, 30, and 36. That was simple, right? You can also try other questions to test your knowledge. See you in our next video. Bye.